Welcome to Bestsellers Market. Today, we have an exciting countdown for you, featuring the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon. These top-rated items are designed to keep your vehicle running smoothly and efficiently, ensuring optimal performance. So without any delay, let's get started with our countdown of the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon. Stay tuned to discover which products are making waves in the market and why they are the top choices for consumers like you. Let's dive right in. Here we are, diving into the top 5 of our countdown with a standout in the realm of engine cooling. Presenting the Mishimoto MFan CNTL Uprobe Adjustable Fan Controller, Kit Probe Black. Imagine this, an adjustable activation temperature range from 150 degrees Fahrenheit to a scorching 240 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the kind of flexibility that caters to a variety of driving conditions and cooling requirements. It's a feature that puts you, the driver, in complete control. But that's just the beginning. Next up, the installation is a breeze with this kit. It includes a probe or a 1/8 inches NPT-style temperature sensor, along with all the necessary components. That's right, you have everything you need in one comprehensive package. And let's not forget, there are 7 feet of wire, making installation possible in nearly any vehicle size. Versatility and convenience? Check and check. But wait, there's more. This kit is designed specifically for use with 1 to 2 electric fans drawing a combined 25 amps or less. Plus, it includes a built-in AC override feature. So even when your air conditioning is running at full blast, your engine cooling won't miss a beat. The ingenuity of this design ensures your vehicle remains at the optimal temperature, regardless of the circumstances. In essence, the Mishimoto MMFan CNTL Uprobe isn't just an accessory, it's a game changer for engine cooling systems. It's the kind of product that not only meets but exceeds expectations, ensuring your vehicle's performance is always at its peak. So if you're looking for reliability, flexibility, and efficiency in engine cooling, this is your go-to solution. Moving on to the 4th spot in our top 5 countdown of the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon, we present a true protector for your radiator. Introducing the Allstar Performance. All 30,158 19 inches. High x 26 inches, wide x 1/2 inches thick, honeycomb design radiator screen. Let's talk about design first. This radiator screen boasts a honeycomb pattern, meticulously crafted to offer superior protection. Measuring 19 inches in height, 26 inches in width, and a solid 1/2 inch in thickness, it's robust enough to withstand the onslaught of rocks and debris that threaten your radiator's integrity. Think of it as a fortress, standing guard at the forefront of your vehicle's cooling system. Mounting this screen is straightforward. It attaches to the front of the radiator, creating an effective barrier against the elements. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling off-road adventures, this screen ensures that your radiator remains unscathed. It's not just an auto part, it's peace of mind. What makes this product even more remarkable is its vehicle-specific fit. It's designed with precision to ensure a perfect match for your vehicle, providing a seamless integration with your existing setup. No more worries about compatibility or modifications. It's tailor-made for your ride. The Allstar Performance. All 30,158 isn't just an accessory, it's an essential. It's the kind of product that blends functionality with durability, offering unparalleled protection for your engine's lifeline. So if you're looking for a reliable guard to keep your radiator in top-notch condition, this honeycomb design screen is the perfect choice. Coming in at number 3 on our countdown of the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon, we have the Derale 13700 Electra-Cool Remote Cooler in sleek black. This is not just a cooler, it's a versatile powerhouse designed to meet your cooling needs wherever space permits. Whether it's transmission, power steering, or fuel cooling, this remote cooler is your all-in-one solution. Imagine the convenience of mounting it precisely where it's needed most, optimizing your vehicle's performance effortlessly. Now let's talk about its standout feature, the electric fan. This isn't just any fan. It supplies optimum airflow, ensuring your systems remain cool under the most demanding conditions. It's like having a personal cooling assistant, tirelessly working to keep your engine and transmission in peak condition. The Derale 13700 boasts a 16-pass tube and fin cooler, a design that maximizes efficiency and effectiveness. With product dimensions of 15.75 by 11.5 by 5 inches, it's compact yet incredibly powerful. it fits perfectly in various vehicle configurations, thanks to its vehicle-specific fit. But what truly sets this cooler apart is its impact on your vehicle's longevity. By maintaining optimal temperatures, it dramatically extends the life of your engine and transmission. It's not just about performance, it's about preservation, ensuring your vehicle runs smoothly for years to come. The Derale 13700 Electra-Cool remote cooler isn't merely an accessory. It's a strategic upgrade for your vehicle. It combines versatility, efficiency, and durability, making it an indispensable component for those serious about engine cooling. If you're aiming for peak performance and longevity, this cooler is the ultimate choice. Are you enjoying the countdown of the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon? Well, don't let your engine overheat. Cool off by liking, subscribing, and pressing the bell icon so you never miss out on the coolest updates. Our number 2 spot in this countdown of the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon goes to a truly essential item, the Derale 13001 plastic rod mounting kit in sleek silver. Now let's delve into why this kit is a must-have. It contains 4 sturdy plastic rods accompanied by all necessary hardware. Yes, it's a complete mounting solution designed to secure your cooler or electric fan with absolute reliability. This isn't just any kit. It's meticulously crafted to provide a secure and efficient installation, ensuring your cooling system performs flawlessly. The kit's package dimensions, 16.8 inches in length, 15.9 inches in width, and 5.4 inches in height, are designed with precision. It's compact yet comprehensive, including everything you need in one convenient package. What makes the Derale 13001 stand out is its vehicle-specific fit. It's tailored to integrate seamlessly with your vehicle, eliminating the guesswork and ensuring a perfect match. No more worrying about compatibility issues or makeshift solutions. This kit is engineered for ease and precision. Imagine this, a mounting kit that doesn't just do the job but excels in it. It's about reliability, convenience, and ensuring your cooling components are securely in place. Whether you're installing a new cooler or an electric fan, this kit has got you covered, offering peace of mind and optimal performance. The Derale 13001 plastic rod mounting kit isn't just a product. It's a critical component for anyone serious about engine cooling. It's the epitome of functionality and design, making it an indispensable addition to your cooling system setup. If you're looking for the perfect blend of simplicity and efficiency, this mounting kit is your ultimate choice. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. The number 1 best-selling engine cooling product on Amazon. Introducing the Stant 10331 Automotive Accessories Safety Radiator Cap, 16 psi, in a striking combination of metal and black. Why is this radiator cap at the top? Let's explore. First, it's designed for both open and closed systems, offering unparalleled versatility. Whether your vehicle operates with an open or closed cooling system, this cap is the perfect fit. It's the epitome of flexibility, ensuring your engine remains cool and efficient regardless of the setup. But there's more. This isn't just any radiator cap, it's a 16 psi LEV-R vent cap, specifically engineered to regulate pressure with precision. The material? High-quality metal, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. This cap isn't just built to last, it's built to excel, providing robust protection and optimal pressure management. One standout feature is its vented design. This innovation ensures that excess pressure is safely vented, preventing potential damage and maintaining system integrity. It's about safety and efficiency, rolled into one sleek design. Imagine driving with the confidence that your cooling system is protected by the best. And here's the game changer, the ability to bring back coolant from the overflow tank. This feature ensures your engine always has the necessary coolant levels, even during intense driving conditions. It's a seamless integration that boosts performance and reliability. The Stant 10331 Automotive Accessories Safety Radiator Cap isn't just a component, it's a crucial upgrade for anyone serious about engine cooling. Its superior design, robust materials, and innovative features make it the undisputed leader in engine cooling solutions. For those seeking peak performance and unmatched reliability, this radiator cap is the ultimate choice. We hope you enjoyed the countdown of the best-selling engine cooling products on Amazon. To stay updated with all the top sellers, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Check the pinned comment for links to all the products we discussed today. Until next time, thank you and see you soon.